market, so I got some few things. I just made I got small tomatoes to make. One is bigger though, so whenever I want to cook stew, just carry it. Hello guys, good morning. Stay there. Good morning guys. So it's been a while and I've been resting after my trade fair. I have not been feeling well. So today is Monday. What's today's date, Seth? I don't know, but I know this week is Christmas. So today I will be going to Oko. Yes, I'll be going to Oko Market and have a lot to do today. So I'm still on the bed playing with my children, and that is it. So I will see you guys when I'm on my way to Oko Market. Okay, talk to you guys. See this hair. This hair is going down this week. This hair don't try. Like this hair don't try. This hair have tried. They don't want old. They don't want old. See, but it's old now. So I'm going to lose it. It's like when you have the best stylist, how the hair go quick old. So this hair is going to is it going to 2 months? I'll be a month plus now. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this hair this week, maybe tomorrow or next. Come on. So I'll talk to you guys later. Babe. Hello, my people. Hey, this is after 12 and the sun is out. So I'm heading to the market. I'm dressing like a market woman. So I'm heading to the market now. The sun is out. I have to attend to the children. So let's go buy Christmas things. Okay. So let's go buy our monthly food normally. So the other day I went to the market, so I got some few things. I just made I got small tomatoes to make stew. So we have stew. Just small, the one we ate yesterday. I made small or half soup. But let's go see. Rice, we have oil, we have a lot of things. We have 2 cartons of spaghetti. So just few things I'm going to buy. And we are cooking soup and stew. So let's go. Good afternoon, sir. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, okay? Let's go. The sun is too much. So let's go, guys. I go do POS like this. Might give you nylon.
Okay, give back. What the hell?
No, I hold cash.
Shake down. As I take shake down. As I take shake down, money.
I dey come, I buy other things first. Outside, I go meet you when I come back. You go help me tie am, abi? Hello? Ina chon down see am.
Quero me siaba.
When was Ziki raised here 15 on Saturday? Saturday.
Somebody don't know church, then they do. Since 1 week or 2 weeks now, 9 a year, 3,000.
Go back that way.
100. If I hear they give me melon, chicken, and I'm a tia.
I go for morning and next year, what this thing happen.
I'm a tea grandmother, you're going to go. I try them, my nigga. My name, Mambo, if you nobody like it, you know, I'm going
now. You say how much last? My sister is doing a very delicious delicacy. This is asu spaghetti nabi. So guys, when I came back from the market, I did not have strength to video what I unboxed with you guys what I got. So these tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and pepper, we have started boiling it. This is the pot one. The second pot, I chatter them. I also got crayfish. I got this crayfish for, is it 5.5 or 5.8? Must you add? I got fish. I got these big Sarah tomatoes. I got this Maggi. I also got 1 sachet of no. This is bitter leaf. I'm making bitter leaf soup. Periwinkle. I'm making afang soup. I bought this pepper 3,000 naira. We've poured this. We've poured this remaining one. I'm making banga stew. This is ogri for the bitter leaf. This is water leaf for the afang. And this is cocoyam. So what else? Let me show you. We already have rice. This is rice. Inside here we have rice. Let me show you. We have rice already there. This is also rice. I got yam. I got onions. These onions I got it for 3,000. I got palm oil. I got this palm oil for 118 each. What else? That's all. This is the pepper. I got banga. And these are the meats that I got. This is original pomo. The one I'm loving pomo lately. I also got beef. So I started washing it already. I said let me just show you guys, because when I came back I was so tired that I also got this. Though I have such tomatoes before, I have this one bank from before. So I got this one, this asu one. I think I got 3 rolls. Yes, I got 3 rolls of this. See, they are down there. I also got this one. I got this one 2 rolls. So all these things now we're not even going to use it till next day, because we have stew that I even cooked before. So we need to chop spag. This spag I have 2 cartons, so we are eating 1 carton now. This is golden penny. Here's the first carton. They have gari. Gari is here, so I bought beans. I also bought beans. No, beans there. So I got in this store. I just noticed it. It was not like this before. I don't know where these ants came from. These ants, I don't know where they came from. Please, if you know whatever thing I'm going to use to chase it out of my store, please you share with me. So my children and I, we can drink water. See food that is picking their chop. This is the 1 pot of tomatoes. I want to store it in my Ziploc and put it in the freezer. So let's pack it, okay? Guys, I'm done packing this one. This one came out. One is bigger though. So whenever we want to cook stew, just carry it. I'm going to be featuring this one soon. I have my meat. I'm about to start cooking my soup. Yes. This soup. Okay, God, I beg. When I say I want, I go cook. See this one. Let me filter it decently. See, don't worry, we clean everywhere. Everywhere is just bye. Just look at. Just look at. Just look at. Guys, I'm done with this one. Still 2. Guys, please, sorry, my light is off. Okay, so this is the afang soup is ready. This is the only soup I was able to make today. So I have this meat. These ones I'll be using to make cow and beef. That's what I'll be using to make bitter leaf and ufaku stew. So I'm done. Just to I'm done. This is pepper that is shombo that is remaining. I'll use it to make my money maybe tomorrow. This is my banga spice. There's rosemary inside. This is the remaining dry fish. I'm also be using it tomorrow. So this is my Ziploc. I'm going to return it. I'm dropping this in the store. So the plates have been washed. Just to clean here. Take this to the laundry room and clean up this place properly. I don't even have to bring ring lights here now. I just want to. I got a frying pan. This is very big. It's very big. I cannot call this non-stick. This is not non-stick anything. Not non-stick. It's aluminium. It's ready. See, don't worry. Tomorrow or this night, I'm going to make a video. No, tomorrow, because it's tomorrow I'm going to pack it. So tomorrow I'm going to make a video. So I'll just remove these 2 pots here now. Then clean this thing. And that's it. So guys, we'll call it a day. Yeah, we'll call it a day because today has been a stressful one. See the way I'm sweating. I want to go shower. Like when I came back from the market, I bathed. I even went out. I went to my shop to pick up something. I went to buy this frying pan, broom and packer, and I also paid for chicken. But my husband is going to so it's a surprise. So I made just the afang soup today. Tomorrow morning, I've already told my sister what to do. So tomorrow morning, once she wake up, because she's going to sleep this night, she mopped today. She did the mopping today. She's going to mop tomorrow. So we are going to be washing our inner curtain, the white curtains. We are going to bring in everything down, put it inside washing machine, so that once they bring light, just 19 minutes is going to wash. I'm going to be doing a lot of laundry because we did laundry today. Well, I got some house clothes for my children, a lot of house clothes for them because they don't have house clothes. So I want us to finish with the laundry, arrange them, then I will now wash that set of clothes and arrange it properly because I bought for all of them. I bought for the 3 of them. So we'll call it a day. I'm tired and I need to sleep. You can see it in my eyes. I'm tired. So Christmas, I'm ready for Christmas. I don't like cooking on Christmas Day, like 25th. I don't like cooking. I only love boiling rice and frying maybe plantain. But this time around, we're not going to be eating white rice. We're going to be making something different, which I'm not going to spill. You are going to see it that day. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Please watch to the end. I love you. Bye.